Ayala Mall South Park Village dito sa Ayala Mall South Park, Alabang. Our clinic here, free shockwave, free evaluation, assessment. Ayan, ito po yung ating place dito. Meron tayong wash shop. Okay. Ayan, detox now. And we have also the Linga. And syempre ang ating Moroblend and IG product. Only here, dito po tayo sa ating CIA Bayanihan. Ang ating Moroblend. Welcome sa ating Ayala Mall South Park Wellness Hub Pantry Clinic. Take it for health and beauty.
Alright guys, welcome to MVP Success Club. Grabe, ito na yun guys. Ito na yung pinakamagandang opportunity na pwede mong i-engage this time. No? Kumbaga talagang ito po, proven formula for success. I-share natin po ito sa lahat. And hindi lang po ito financially wise. This is also for health and lifestyle. So this is a very short presentation and I'm sending this to qualified individuals only. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga kilala ko talaga na kayang gawin ito at the same time, hindi na kailangan pang i-mindset sa industriya na papasukin natin. So dito po, no? Welcome to MVP Lifestyle Rewards. And lahat tayo dito, if you are watching this video, I know and you know, di ba, that we all know that network marketing really is a great vehicle for success. Ibig sabihin natin guys, alam nyo na po talaga na maraming umaasenso sa mundo ng network marketing. We've seen it all, di ba? We've seen a lot of people achieving financial freedom throughout this opportunity. Pero ang tanong dyan, bakit 97% pa rin ng populasyon ng industriya na to ang nag-i-struggle? Okay? Minsan, di ba? Kulang lang talaga sa tamang guidance, at the same time, tamang formula on how to achieve yung talagang pinapangako ng industriya na to na yung sinasabi nilang payaman ka. Okay? So, in this video, I will show to you the formula on how this opportunity transformed my life. Anyway guys, my name is Jeffrey Perez. Baka sakaling mapanood mo ito, may pasa sa'yo ng isa sa mga kakilala ko. Isa po ako sa mga naging top earners ng aming company. So ako po ay 15 years na sa industry and I've achieved a lot of milestones throughout this opportunity. Nakabili na po ako ng sarili kong bahay, mga kotse, nakapag-travel sa iba't ibang lugar, and many more. No? So dito po, i-share namin sa inyo how you too, ikaw din, maa-achieve din tong ganitong klaseng success. Okay? So ang mission po ng MVP Lifestyle Rewards or yung MVP Success Club is to create, yung vision po nito, no, to create a group of people who are constantly achieving. Okay, kumbaga dito, we have the guaranteed rewards formula na kung saan talagang ikaw mismo, ikaw may enjoy mo yung lifestyle, may enjoy mo yung income, may enjoy mo yung talagang pagbabago ng buhay mo if you do this opportunity, no? So, everyone will be rewarded, walang hindi. Lahat ng sasali dito, guaranteed yung resulta. Everyone will be rewarded, not a single member will be left behind. Okay? So ito po, hindi lang yung hindi ka magi-struggle, tapos ang gagawin mo lang, very simple task lang siya, and you will achieve your roadmap, di ba? Yung exact roadmap on how you can achieve yung financial success. No, ang mission natin dito this 2024 guys, the mission of MVP Lifestyle Rewards is to create 1,000 millionaires this 2024. 1,000 car achievers and 1,000 lifestyle and travel achievers, and that is only the first wave. Syempre guys, no? Hindi naman instant yung success, pero we will make sure na this 2024 maraming magkakaresulta throughout this formula. Okay? So kung ikaw yung nanonood nito, especially kung ikaw yung nauna nanonood nito, is ikaw yung pinaka magbe-benefit dito kasi nga ikaw pa lang yung makakaalam ng formula. So yung 1,000 na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Next batch po niyan, 1,000, 2,000 ulit, and so on. Okay? So dito po sa MVP Success Club, you will enjoy the lifestyle. Yun muna, kumbaga, dapat maramdaman mo na maraming pagbabagong mangyayari sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, you are going to go out of your comfort zone. Di ba? Kung dati nasa bahay ka lang or dati nasa trabaho ka lang magdamag, dito, may enjoy mo yung lifestyle. Okay? 100% of the members will be achieving lifestyle rewards. Walang hindi. Okay? Sa ibang opportunity kasi talaga, piling-pili lang. O yung mga nasa tuktok lang, yung mga talagang nakaka-experience ng pagbabago sa buhay nila. Pero dito po, sa MVP Success Club, 100% of the members is makaka-achieve talaga ng lifestyle rewards. Okay? Walang maiiwan. Kumbaga dito talaga, jajampakin natin yung mga tao magkakaresulta dito. The rewards get more exciting, but the purpose of this is to be part of a community of constantly delivering results and constantly achieving success. Kumbaga lahat dito talaga, hatakan pataas, hatakan paangat lahat ng mga magjo-join dito sa MVP Success Club. So if you want success, ito na po. Proceed na tayo. Sabihin mo po sa video, I want success. I-comment mo dyan kung saan mo napaparod yung video na ito, di ba? I want success. Dito po, guys, no? We have only one goal. One goal and one task, no? Kumbaga dito, hindi na masyadong kailangan ng napakaraming training. Hindi na kailangan ng napakaraming a-attend ka ng mga sandamukal na mga mind-setting, training, company profile, product presentation, di ba? At kung ano-ano pang explanation ng compensation plan, isang task lang ang gagawin mo and you're done. Okay? Yun po yung kagandahan sa formula na ito, no? Isang task lang, pag nagawa mo yun, tapos ka na. Ngayon, we will present you the task right now. If you cannot do the task, then by all means, huwag ka nang mag-engage. Okay? No? Very simple task. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin yung task na yon, huwag ka nang mag-engage. Huwag ka nang sumali, huwag ka nang mag-join. But if you can do this one task, ang nag-iintay sa iyong income is 7 million pesos. Okay? Yes, guys, 7 million pesos. And ito po, estimated time frame nito, guys, is hindi po years. No? You don't need to spend 15 years like me para ma-achieve yung financial success. Dito po, ang estimated time frame, 6 months lang. Okay, 6 months lang. Okay? Napakabilis lang po niyan at isang task lang yung gagawin natin. Okay? Dito po, ang ating buy-in rate is 8,990. So, hindi siya mura, hindi rin siya sobrang mahal. Kung ang nag-aantay naman sa iyo is 7 million, what is 8,990? Okay? Kagandahan dyan, guys, you will also be receiving package. No? May magkakaroon ka ng package na makakatulong din po sa buhay mo, no? Ang kagandahan dyan, when you buy in, when you join the program, automatically meron ka ng agad lifestyle reward. Ano ba yun, di ba? Yan, MVP Lifestyle Reward, makaka-receive ka na agad ng Wensha Spa. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula na agad yung lifestyle business mo. Ibig sabihin yan, mababago na agad yung takbo ng buhay mo kasi nga, makakasama mo yung mga katulad mo na magjo-join din sa opportunity na ito at maniniwala sa formula at gagawin yung mga specific task na yun. Okay? Hindi po ito investment, guys. This is not an investment. We are not offering a guaranteed income. Diba? Kagandahan dito, yung 8,990 pesos na yan, may kapalit yan na product. Ano yung produkto natin? Diba? Ang product po natin is the 30 days detox program. So for 30 days, sabi ko nga po sa simula, hindi lang po yung financial aspect, pati po yung health aspect natin. Ibig sabihin, tutulungan ka namin maging maganda yung iyong kalusugan in 30 days. Ano ba yung gagawin natin in 30 days, di ba? We will be having the first assessment for you, di ba? Kung ikaw ay may karamdaman, may nararamdaman kang kakaiba sa katawan mo, or you just want to be healthy, di ba? We will check your health and assess kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin for the 30 days detox program. And then, next po yung orientation. Ituturo po namin sa inyo yung dapat mong gagawin for the next 30 days para maging healthy ka. And lastly, yung supplementation. Okay, so yun po yung gagawin natin. Ibig sabihin, malusog ka na, healthy ka na, meron ka pang kikitaing malaki. Okay? So yung produktong kapalit na makukuha mo is worth 10,500 pesos. So kumbaga, para maramdaman mo na risk-free itong papasukin mo, may produktong kapalit siya na more than pa doon sa nilagay mong pera. Okay? Yung sabihin nan, risk-free kasi nga, sulit na sulit actually. Kung talagang super healthy ka naman, you don't need a detox program, just sell the products. And if you sell the products, it's worth 10,500. So wala ka nang ni-risk na pera. Okay? Risk-free guys, no? So kagandahan dito guys, is you will achieve the two of the most important aspects in life. Ano yun? Ang pinaka-importanteng aspeto sa buhay natin. Health, of course, dapat number one yan. And also the wealth, no? Be part of a community with people who forces you to be healthy and to be wealthy as well. Ibig sabihin, lahat na makakasama mo sa opportunity na ito, gusto kang maging healthy at the same time, gusto ka ring yumaman. Okay? So, very simple explanation. Ano ba yung task na gagawin, di ba? Yan, napakasimpleng task lang po. You only need to complete one task and you're done. Okay? Very simple. Di ba? Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, if you cannot do this task, might as well you don't need to engage in our opportunity. Pero kung ikaw naman yung taong kaya naman gawin yung one task na ito, and then baka mamaya baka nga mag-overqualify ka pa. Baka mas marami pang makuha mo or ma-achieve mo sa isang task na to. 'Di ba? Baka makagawa ka ng 2 or more tasks dito. And mas malaki pa yung makukuha mo kapag ka talagang overqualified ka. Okay? So ano ba yung task na yan, Sir Jeff, di ba? Ano ba yung talagang kailangan namin gawin para ma-achieve yung financial success na yan at the same time yung health na rin, di ba? Ito na po guys, no? So napakahirap po nito. Alam nyo ba? Sobrang hirap gawin. Pero kung isipin mo, ito yung task, no? The only task that you will do in this opportunity is to find people, 4 people to join, no? So, 4 na tao na kaya ring mag-buy-in ng 8,990 pesos. So, ang tanong, kaya mo bang gawin yung task na yan? Okay? Ang gagandahan dito, di ba? Yung 4 na yan na mapapasali mo, lahat din sila sasama sa'yo sa Wensha Spa. Di ba? Ano ba yung Wensha Spa na yan, guys? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, guys, yung Wensha Spa is a luxurious spa na pupunta tayo sa isang spa, no, na meron po siyang unlimited buffet, meron po siyang sauna, meron siyang steam bath, meron po siyang jacuzzi, and meron siyang talagang tambayan na maganda, lounge area, and we will be having a 1-hour massage. Then meron din po siyang unlimited shabu-shabu and buffet, no? Kumbaga, again, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, you will get out of your comfort zone and you will join other people and experience the lifestyle, no? So, 4 na tao lang guys, no? Napakaganda niyan. At the same time, yung 4 na yan will also do their 30 days detox program. So, 4 na kayo.